First go to the file and choose open. Select this background image, click open. Take the text tool, select the scale thin ST font. Now type the text in this manner. Then press Ctrl T for the transform option. Hold down the Alt key and increase the text size like this. Press enter. Right click on this text layer and choose convert to smart object. Now go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Set the blur radius to 0.5 pixels. Click OK. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Double click on the Gaussian blur. Increase the blur radius here to 3 pixels. Click OK. Continue the process in this manner. Select the background layer. Go to the adjustment layer options and choose the solid color adjustment layer. Select black color. Click OK. Now hold down the shift button and select all of these layers except the background layer. Press Ctrl G to group these layers. Go to blend modes and choose screen. Then open the adjustment layer options and choose the gradient map adjustment layer. Follow these gradient map settings like this. Click OK. Let's see the final result.